happy people, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, it is Vlogmas day 8. I hope y'all having an amazing day. You guys, before we get into what we're doing today, if you haven't watched Vlogmas day 7, why don't you do so? We're setting up this beautiful 6 Christmas trees here in my kitchen slash breakfast area. I hope you guys like it. Okay, you guys, today in this video, in this Vlogmas, we are decorating my little backyard. On top of that, Justin is setting up our 20-foot Santa in the backyard again. We actually did set it up for Thanksgiving when my family was here, but because of a bad storm and wind and whatnot, the Santa broke. We fixed it. It's back up again, so I'm gonna put a clip of how Justin is fixing it today. Then I'm gonna put a clip how they put it up when my family was here. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give me the thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, consider subscribing. Yo, let's get started. Okay, let me keep you updated what's going on here. So, y'all know that we have that 20-foot snowman. We also have this 20-foot Santa. Before Thanksgiving, when my brother was here, and his better half, and my mom, we put this up. I'm gonna actually insert a little clip when they were here trying to mess around with this big Santa.
Stand like this.
Oh my god! So, Dima, can you bring it up? Okay guys, so I'm going to voice over here. My first time voicing over, so bear with me. I'm expanding. Y'all, so here is when my family was for Thanksgiving. Look at them having fun trying to put the Santa up. I mean, we had a lot of fun here on that day. That's my brother right there in red, little James, Matthew, Justin. Look at them just having fun trying to put that Santa up, y'all. It is always so nice to have my lovely family over. This was going on, I think, for like an hour. Watch out, everyone. There's me with that hammer. There's my beautiful sister-in-law right here, Diana. Here's Mr. James running to mommy. He got something in his food, poor baby. Everybody's still having fun over here. Oh, he is gorgeous. Look at this glorious Santa, y'all. He's almost as big as the house. I mean, he's 20 feet tall. But the next day, we had a really strong bad wind. And it ripped him. We sewed it together really nicely, so it looks like he's doing well. I think Justin is gonna add on top of our sewing, because we didn't sew it by machine, we sew it by hand. So Justin is gonna add this on top. So we googled, and this should really hold it together. Okay guys, so I'm voicing over this part. I want to clarify something. Do you see how I keep saying we sewed it, we sewed it? It was me and my mom, mostly my mom. So mom, thank you so much. We did such a good job on this Santa, I have no idea. It actually still holds very well. Don't have a sewing machine, so we sewed it by hand. Here, guys, I'm gonna show you how it looks. We didn't have a black thread, so we used blue, but it doesn't matter. It really holds well. And then Justin is going to put actually black tape on top right here. It's coming. I think I'm gonna show it. Nope, there's James telling me something. My baby. Yes, we're going outside. Yes, we're going outside. Okay guys, we are in our backyard. So let me keep you updated quickly what's going on here. So this is one entrance here to the house, and I made this wreath last year, I think. It's kind of busy, but you know, I thought that it would be nice to put it outside. There's the entrance to our bedroom. There's little Matthew trying to get in. Then here we have the entrance to the wet bar, and I have this beautiful little wreath here that I actually like. It's very simple. This flower arrangement always stays here. I just added a little bow, and voila, it's Christmas now. And this one is the entrance, guys, to the living room. So I have this little wreath that I also made, and I made it buffalo check too. I just some buffalo check in here and there, and I made this bow. It's pretty simple. So I have this door open a lot because, you know, we have this not gates, but whatever, the baby cannot go past this little area here, so he can spend time there. And I love it because this wreath really does complement this tree, you guys, don't you think? With this buffalo check and everything, I just love it. I just love it. And yes, I'm listening to my music again, honey. You know what? Music makes me so happy. I think music makes everyone happy. What do we have here? We have a little tree. Okay, this one here is a pot that I absolutely love with angels. And I put here flower arrangements, fake ones, every year for different season. I just took the fall out. Now I'm gonna put something for Christmas in there. And pillows that don't belong on the floor, that belong here. We're gonna change them right now. We're gonna go in the garage and bring the Christmas pillows in and put them in here. Also, I have these trees here. They don't, I have no space, no place for them in the house at all. I think they're actually pretty cute. Look at them. And I just kind of thought that, you know, to put them out here. And I think they actually are really nice, right? I have two other ones that are a little taller. I might exchange them. We'll see. I don't know. Matthew, what are you doing, sweetie? Hello? Matyushenka? Matthew? Hi. The weather today, it's actually pretty nice, but I think like a storm is trying to come in, which I love it. I hope it does. Yeah, so this is what's going on, you guys. So that window right there, it's looking out from our dining room, foyer, dining slash foyer. This one here, you guys, you know where my computer is, where I do my editing. This window actually needs a good cleaning, but here's my computer. I'm doing my editing over there. This is where all the 6 trees, I put them yesterday, you guys. This is the little, what do you call it? The little breakfast area slash kitchen right there. So both windows are looking out to the lake and the pool, and it's really gorgeous. So I'm gonna take you past these beautiful trees again. We're going into the garage, y'all, to get our Christmas pillows. The garage is still under a lot of work. Ooh, I have another tree like this, you guys, the one that I set up, the 6 ones. And this one here is potted. This is gonna go outside in the back. Actually, we're gonna set it up today. Since I showed you the back yard, we're gonna set it up today. There's those full noodles. Like I said, we still have a lot of work to do in the garage. You have no idea, this garage is full. This is a 2-car garage that we don't even park our cars in here because it was full of Christmas, full of stuff, and we're slowly putting everything in the back. We have to sweep in, but first we'll finish because we have quite a few boxes to go through. Anyways, these guys are gonna go inside too. I have 3 beautiful nutcrackers here, or whatever they are. So here is our, let's see which ones. This is gonna go, this is for our doors. This one is, they actually all are. This is for our doors. Oh, they're so cute! This one is right here. These 3 ornaments, we're gonna need them. I already have 3 that I found. I only have 6 of them. I wish I had more, but when we're going to decorate the upstairs, I mean the staircase with garlands, this is gonna go there. So okay, if I put those 2 like that, I can have this one, come here, I can have this one here and it's gonna be lit, and this one has ornaments all through it. Matthew, I actually left it with ornaments since last year, but Matthew threw them all. We're gonna play with this tree because remember the 6 that I did yesterday, when you fluff them, they're so pretty. So yes, I love this here. Okay guys, so I brought this 4 in. I was initially gonna put 2 here, 2 over there, and then each chair. So I'm just gonna put 2 on this, 2 on this, on those, and it's gonna be enough. Actually, I wanna show you something, you guys. Do you remember when, I think in Vlogmas 2 or something, I told you guys about this fountain that is very close to my home? Y'all see how close it is? Do you hear it? I can hear it so loudly, you guys. It's really, really nice. Okay, so I have my pillows here, and they're really cute. Both say joy. They're in the same pillow. I like it. I like it here a lot. Okay, so we have 2 more. First, let me go ahead and take a sip of my coffee because Mommy Claus needs it. I'm making a 2 times a strong coffee today because I am really tired. Hi, I'm vlogging. You're home early. I'm making a coffee.
He keeps throwing his milk at me.
You threw the milk? He wants to go outside. He was in the back. He didn't go in the front today, so I know. Oh, there you're dancing, my dancing queen. Yes, yes, my dancing queen. Show me what you got. Look, trees everywhere again.
Flash dance.
Yep. He's doing the Roomba like you. He's being the Roomba, cleaning the floors. Okay, now I put those 2 over here, and they're looking. They're scent I can explain. And they're looking pretty cute here. It's Let It Snow and Holiday Chill. I like this. I really like this one a lot. So there you go. Just a little touch like this, and that's changed a lot, you guys. We're gonna work on this tree here, and then I'm gonna show it to you in a minute how it looks. Hi, my babies. Hi. Sitting here enjoying the waterfall? Are you boys sitting here enjoying the waterfall? Okay guys, a quick update before it gets too dark. Quickly, I took that poinsettia from the table. I put it on the floor. I think it looks good, but I'm gonna have to take it because it's poisonous, and I'm afraid Matthew's gonna, play with it. So I'm gonna put it here somewhere in a second. I added this little tree here, and I really like it. It's right there. This is the tree that I was talking about. I fluffed it and it looks wonderful. At night it's gonna look really good, y'all. I did add this little tree over here, and I think it's really cute. You guys saw the pillows. I changed this too. So remember how these 2 were one here and one here? I put it right there next to our bedroom door. This little guy here lights up beautifully, but I don't know why it doesn't work. I'm waiting for Justin to fix it. Hopefully he can fix it tonight so I can update you guys. If not tonight, I'll update you later. Our big Santa there is doing its thing and greeting everyone, and so is that huge beautiful snowman. Now remember this, that I told you guys that I do arrangements for every season. I did this little arrangement here for Christmas. I think it's really cute, you guys. So honestly, these are just things that I have leftovers, like branches of all sorts. I put them together and I think it came out beautifully. And even here, like these are pigs, so I added pigs in there. I like it. It's Christmassy. I have these little guys here, these 2 elves that are gorgeous. Oh, look who came home. Hi, Baba! Come see Mommy quick, I miss you. They came home later, they went to the store. Okay, tell me how was school. I missed you. Good. Okay, go change, Baba. I need you to change into something comfortable, and let's eat. I love you so much.
There's gonna be a storm?
I hope so. It looks like a storm is trying to come through. I hope so. We love storms in our home. Okay. You guys, those 2 Tissel's trees, I have 2 more, gold and green, and they're actually taller. So I'm thinking to put one right next to the bar door, the door going into the wet bar, and thinking maybe to put one here and move this trash can. I'll put the trash can next to the grill. We need it. Or I'm gonna put it here, right here, instead of that. I don't know. I'll keep you updated, guys. I'll keep you all updated. Oh, the lights are turning on. Look at this neighborhood. The lights are turning on. I am so happy.
I have to take the whole thing apart.
What?
It still has a short piece. When I tap on it like this, the light comes to life.
Oh, okay, so you can fix it. So while Justin is fixing this this one here is having the time of his life. Yes. Woo! 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 Yeah, Mama, you. Hey, Woozy. Woo! Hi, Mama. Hi, my beautiful child. Tika. Woo! Tika. Okay, guys, so another little update. I changed my mind about those 2 tinsels that I said I'm gonna do 2 more tinsels. I found this little trees in the garage, and instead of the tinsel, I'm using this little guys right here, and they're so cute. They're by the, like I said, by the wet bar here. Yes, I love this so much more than putting those 2 huge tinsels. You guys, look, our lights are on in the house too. Oh my God. Look how you can see the Santa from here. Actually, everybody that walks, that's why I wanted something, not a tree. I wanted something a little different there, because I think everybody has a huge tree in their entrance, and I wanted, you know, something like this, Santa with the gifts and something different, and I actually love it. I love it. Every time we go from the kitchen to our bedroom or to the office, or, you know, go outside, this guy greets us, Santa. Where are you going? What you have in there? You have crackers? Leave that cat alone.
Claus, please bring me this bulb
We need this bulb for the
Christmas. Put it in your sleigh.
Home Depot.
He's gonna fall.
He's gonna fall? Well, go take care of him. I don't want my Santa to fall.